Hello everyone, welcome to Education Lecture. In this video, I'll be teaching you few grammar concepts. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel to get further new updates. And this is your grammar textbook. They have written as workbook, both are same only. This is 2018 edition. 2019 edition is also same, need not worry. So I'll be teaching few grammar concepts in this video. So we have first concept is articles and prepositions, part 1. Articles and prepositions, I'll be just blushing out all the grammar concepts because I know all my viewers who are seeing this video will know the basic grammar. I need not repeat it again. So just I'll be blushing it. I want to make you bored also. Blushing it means I'll be telling you how we have to do these means and how we have to write it. What are the things which should be followed while writing the answers, so that you don't make any mistake in your exams. So I told in my previous video when I showed the board exam paper that I will be revising you the grammar concepts. So in this video I will be revising few of them. So articles and preposition is your first concept. This is easy. All the grammar parts are very easy if you understand it better. So here they have given few blanks. You have to write the appropriate articles and prepositions. So you know, write what are articles and prepositions. So about, this, much, that. So whichever words which are necessary, means which link these sentences correctly, and we say the sentence, give meaning, correct meaning for that sentence. So like that, in a simple way only I'll be teaching you all this. So for example, I'll tell you this. This book of science fiction is dash and dash alien who is naughty. Is about an also you can write because vowels right. An alien who is naughty. I forgot to write. And this is. And this book is also very much informative. I suggested the book to my friend. So if you people want to improve your improve your writing skill, means you can just read out your textbook lessons only. So as you read out, you will get an idea to write your imaginary sentences, to frame a sentence. So here we can if you know that, you can put an appropriate linker to it. So that it will make a meaning. See, this book of science fiction is about an alien who is naughty. So it is making a sentence, right? So like this only you have to make all this articles and preposition. The precise word you have to put correctly to it. So these are the articles and prepositions. In short, I am saying so that you will understand it better. I don't want to go very deeply and confuse you with all the ones. So these are articles and so when you have an idea of reading books, if you don't read also, don't worry, I am not compelling you to read. When you are reading the textbook also, you will get an idea to frame a sentence. If a blank is given, what appropriate article you have to put. Here also see, in the interview, dash the interview, and you can't write the interview, the is always, it is given. So in the interview, the candidate, you can write one also you can write. So that word now, when you read out the sentence, you will get off in a short. Yes. So the candidate was asked some interesting questions initially and his personal skills. A few more questions were asked about the same line so that there would be no tension for the candidate. So it is making a sense, right? Like that you have to make words. So next is jumbled sentence segments. Those who don't have your textbook can see in this video how your workbook looks like. So second one, you have jumbled sentences, and jumbled sentences I know everybody will feel very easy. Every people will feel very easy because these words would be jumbled and given in your exam. It is for 1 mark. If you see my previous video, I have shown you the exam question paper where these grammar concepts are given and how many marks each carries. So here for example they have given, is it important protect to our environment? So it is important to protect our environment. If you are not getting a proper sentence when you read it once, read it again. So that time you will get a correct sentence which has a meaning to it. So this is all easy. you will get only one question, 1 mark. If you have any doubt that how many marks each grammar part will be coming, you can see in my previous video I have shown the question paper only where the grammar parts are coming. And next is a subject word agreement. So here I would like to show a book in which I have written all these few examples for you people to understand it. So this is articles and preposition. So filling the blanks I have written with appropriate articles. So they'll give like this only. As you know, vowels A, E, I, O, U, you have to use A or an. According to the sentence, you can frame your precise words. So this is, they may give you like this also in a bracket, unique or unusual. So this is a unique armchair. You can write unusual, it won't suit it properly. Or they may ask you like this also, like fill in the blanks with necessary with the word the. So I visited the Taj Mahal last month. The Republic of Singapore lies to the south of Malaysia. So wherever the is needed, you can write. And next is subject verb agreement. The needed ones only I will show you. So subject verb agreement. Here they have given in your workbook. I will say you very easily, simply means to simplify your answer. I'm sorry. So here his father and grandmother has arrived. Have and has. So you have to choose the correct word. So to find this, first you have to know what is the tense. So tenses I will show you. So in tense, this is very important. So be forms, have forms, do forms, your teachers would have taught you in your first PU. So same, be forms, am, is, are, was, were. So in that present tense, you can just take a note of it or you can just listen what I am saying. Present tense, am, is, are. So present, you know right what is present tense and what is past tense. Past tense which talks about past. So past tense words will come was, were. So singular word is am or is, was. So these are all used if any singular word is given. Plural is are, were. Same, have also, has, have, had. So you have to just remember it is very easy. Be forms, am, is, are, was, were. Have forms, has, have, had. Do forms, do, does, did. That's all. It is easy only. You might have learnt in your first PUC only. So same, present tense has, have, past tense is had. So in that word I will get to know, right? Was, were, had, did. So these are all sounds as a past, that something has something has happened in the past. So we use these words. And singular is has, have, had also will come. Plural, have, had. Plural means more than one thing. 2, 3. Singular is one thing. Do, present tense, past tense. So do, does, did. Singular, plural, do, did. So in short, I am explaining everything for you. So if you know this tense only, this you can do. That is subject verb agreement. And see, you can see, right? Singular ones only I have used. Yes. See, singular verb means has, have. Has, have. Anyhow, they have given you options. Need not worry, they will give you options in subject verb agreement. So we have to choose the correct one. I don't want to waste time on this. See, they have given this one. And one more thing I will tell you a secret, that is, if they have given grandmother, there is no apostrophe s. So if they have given have, has. So which word ends with s, right? You have to write that one. See here also patriot. S is not there. So which word is ending with s, you have written there. And it suits also. See, the leader and patriot is lost. Patriot is a singular one. So you have to use this. Singular, singular. me. Yeah, singular only, that is. So same way you have to do. In some questions you have to see it properly, then you have to write. Or else you are getting confused with here yes comes or doesn't comes and what words. Just read the sentence and see which word is suiting correctly, precisely. That you can write. And next, I would like to show this also. Can just make a note of it or you can just leave it. So example for countable noun. A rose is red. Roses are red. So that makes sense, right? It differs. They will give you sometimes B also. So B forms, as you know, am is, are, was, were. Among that, which suits this. And you know, right, which are the past tense words, which are the present tense. If you want, you can just go, you can just move your video before and just pause and make a note of it. And uncountable nouns, the air was clean. So news, economics, athletics, statistics, physics, rupees, kilos, miles, anyone, no one, everyone, one of us, one of you, each of us. So some of the nouns are always considered as plurals. Some of the nouns will be in plural form, that is stars, savings, goods, clothes, earnings, scissors, jeans, trousers. Words like anyone, someone, no one, each one of us are always singular. None of us is both singular and plural. So you would have seen, right, none of us words come. So if you know this is enough. Before I showed write tense forms. If you know that only is more than enough to write your subject verb agreement or wherever. If they ask be forms, have forms, do forms. Yes. Next, they have given tenses. As you know, as I told you, what are tenses? So you have to write the appropriate form of verb. So in bracket they would have given be, drink. So we have to find the precise word. See, be means, as I told, am is, are, was, were. So according to that, one day a wolf was drinking. So one day means someday which would have happened in past. So one day a wolf was drinking. I can show you the, compare it and show. Past tense, past it had happened, was drinking. So you can't write drink, was drink at a stream. It doesn't make a sense at all, right? So was drinked also won't come. Was drinking at a stream. He, see means, what is the past tense of it? Saw a lamp. If you have still doubt in your behind a textbook, this workbook, sorry, they have given, see like this they are given. Infinitive, simple past parts, past participle. I know everybody knows it. Arise, arose, arisen. So like these words are given. Please don't get confused with it. In simple words, simple manner I am teaching you. Need not worry. So be forms was, think, thought, will, would, find. Found also you can write. Would, found doesn't make a sense. So sometimes the same word only will come, the second one. Run, ran. Be, am is, are, was, were. So am drinking, I am drinking. So it is making a sense when you hear only. So like that is it should be. In your exam, I know everybody will be in a hurry. Sometimes you may make mistakes. If you have a time after you write an exam, you can just go through it, read your big answers, because many linkers, some sentences won't make a sense at all. So you can change your grammar sentences. Or you think I cannot wait until last. Time is over means what shall I do? Do not worry. Just take 2 to 5 seconds. Just glance at it. You see, it's such a big para and all, they won't give you exams. If you want, you can see in my previous video, I have shown the example. 3 to 4 lines only. Among that, 4 to 2, 3 dashes only will be there. So take little time, right? It is your final exam. You have to not risk with your marks, right? So you can just see in the, again if you read, right, you can see what mistake you have done. So these are the tenses. And these are framing questions. So questions forms I will show. In WH question there are I think 9 WH questions, that is what, when, whose, whom, which, how, where, why, who. So yes or no questions, auxiliary models, primary, auxiliary, shall, should, can, could, shan't, shouldn't, may, might, will, would, ought. So primary auxiliary, that is tenses be, have, do, question tags, negative sentence, positive tense, or vice versa, only pronouns, used in tag, never use, nouns, contractor or auxiliary. These and all will confuse you. Just for your information I am saying, only this year WH question, how many forms and auxiliary models, what are those? You can just go through it. So these also present and past verbs, you may know the difference, right? Will, would, want, wouldn't, may, might, may not, might not, or you can write like this also: can, could, can't, couldn't, shall, shouldn't, shan't, shouldn't. So please don't get confused. I'm just giving you information. It is not so tough also grammar. It is very easy. So this is your next one, framing questions one. Yeah, and yeah, this also I will show off. Primary auxiliaries, I told, right, be forms. Everywhere it comes. So if you know only this much is enough. This is not very like a burden also to just remind it. You can just when you go through whenever you study English, when you just go through it, it will just be recorded in your mind. I know all your viewers are so good at reading. So be, am, is, are. So in our negative sentence means isn't, aren't. For was, were, wasn't, weren't. Do, does, don't, doesn't, did, didn't, have, has, have, hasn't, haven't, had, hadn't. So these are your negative questions, negative type questions. So in short, what is there in a workbook is add question tag to the given sentences. This is very easy, guys. See, it is very cold. So here it is positive. There is no negative sentence. So it, isn't it? That's all. Here negative sentence is given. They didn't help her. Did they? So it is just the opposite, guys. Nothing is there. I am just reducing your tension about, you may think you may lose so many marks in a grammar. I am not good at grammar. You only see, I am showing you your own workbook only, right? Oh, how your grammar are. Many may think I am losing marks in grammar. There is nothing. When you understand it thoroughly, it is more than enough to write whatever grammar thing they give in your exam. Here also see, Mrs. Patel donated generously. So when they have not given anything, like here they can see is, isn't. Didn't she? Did she? Like that really come. See, they knew Mr. Suleiman. Didn't they? So like that only you have to write. See, have, haven't they? So when there is no words like is, have, didn't, so they have don't they, didn't they, those only comes. Okay. Next is framing questions using forms of do. So as I told, do, does, did are the forms of do. So write do form they have written. The student thanked the teacher. Did the student thank the teacher? You have to form a question by adding the question tag. As you know, right, question tag comes at the starting only, who, WH question tag. So here, but in this, every question is starting has come did only. A stranger saved the man from drowning. Did a stranger save the man from drowning? And don't forget to put question marks. I have forgotten anything there. I'm sorry for it. That's all. And this is WH type. I told, right? WH, whom, whose, how, those only. So you have to form a question tag, and this underlined word should be the answer. Say, frame question so as to get the underlined word as the answer. They sang song to encourage the athletes. So why did they sing song? The mayor was trembling. Who was trembling? So as I showed 9 WH forms, in that only you should think. You have to put alternative and see which is correct, precise, and it is hearing correct to you. That you have to write. And next, error identification. That is, when you read a sentence, suddenly you find an error. That is, rectify the errors in the following sentences and rewrite them. So, Nile is the longest river in the world. So here and they have used, it is suiting little wrong because and they're using some auxiliary words which starts with A, E, I, O, U only. But here you can write Nile is the longest river in the world. The Invisible Man is an interesting story. See, I only told by mistake answer. Because they have used an auxiliary, so suddenly when you read the question only from your mouth only, suddenly the correct answer comes. Precise word, because while you read all the subjects, it is all in English form, right? When you read it, you will only know what is correct, what is wrong. So that the rectification you will only get to know. She pray every morning. It doesn't. She prays every morning, not daily. So you can't write only pray. So praise. So children likes sweets. So it is hearing little wrong. Children like sweets. So I think yeah. I hope you all have understood the grammar and have simplified as much as possible and tried my best to make you understand. Grammar is easy, need not worry about it, and your textbook lessons is also easy. And all of you, you can, if you have any doubts regarding the textbook, you can see in my previous videos. So if you didn't understand anything or understood, or you have any teaching problem when I am teaching, you can just comment in the comment box, which will encourage me to do my further more videos. So please, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get further new updates. Thank you.